Hello students, today we will discuss about JEE Mains 2015 physics paper. Now we will discuss all the questions one by one. Okay, let us start. Students, let us solve the next question. Question number 23. The question says a red LED emits. LED is a light emitting diode, which is a semiconductor device. So emits light at 0.1 watt. So suppose this is a diode which emits light of 0.1 watt. That means zero point 0.1 joule of energy is flowing out per second uniformly around it. So around it in space uniformly, the amplitude of the electric field of the light. So the light is nothing but the variation of electric and magnetic field. Is electromagnetic wave. Light is electromagnetic wave, and out of this we are talking about only the electric field, E field, because that electric field, the amplitude of the electric field. So we are interested in the amplitude of this electric field at a distance of 1 meter from the diode. So from 1 meter means I will just take that radius as 1 meter. With radius as 1 meter, I will draw a full sphere. So what I've done, a sphere of radius 1 meter is drawn. So, and I am to find the amplitude at that at a distance of 1 meter. So what is the amplitude at that point? Now the power intensity is given by the energy flowing out per second per unit area. That is, intensity is the power divided by meter square area. Power divided by area. So that is power divided by area. So this power is emitted from which area? That spherical surface. This is sphere I have drawn. The sphere has surface area 4 pi r square. This is the surface area of the sphere. Now what you have to do is the intensity formula. Also we know that the intensity formula is half epsilon naught E. Okay, epsilon naught E C, that E square C, epsilon naught E square C. This is the formula that you have to use for intensity. Half epsilon naught E square C. Then I have I is this, and also I have I is this. So then I will equate these two and find the electric field, amplitude of electric field in the question. So that I find using this equating these two relations. So I write rather E naught. E naught stands for amplitude of electric field. Now if you equate these two, what we'll get? Let me write this here. So the equation is that I have power is P divided by 4 pi r square intensity, and also the intensity is half epsilon naught E naught square C. So if I rearrange this, I'll write E naught square equals to, this 2 goes to that place, or 2 cancels out, then P divided by 2 cancels, 2 is there, 2 pi r square, then epsilon naught is there, C is also there. So from here E naught comes out to be under root of C. So this is the amplitude of electric field, and that we can get by putting the values. What are the values given in the question? The power is 0.1 watt, so this is 0.1 divided by 2, pi is 3.14, r square, r is given 1 meter, so it is 1 square, because the radius of the sphere is 1 meter, you can see here, so it is 1 square, and epsilon naught is 8.85 10 raised to minus 12, that you know already. This is the permittivity of free space. And C, the speed of light, it is 3 into 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to 8, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And if you solve this, then you will get the answer. I'll just tell you the answer, and also I'll tell you how you roughly can do that. The answer will be, let us roughly do that. First, let us roughly do that, because if you see the options, let us see the option first. If you see the options, then 1 point something, 2 point something, 5 point something, 7 point something, that you have to keep in mind. You don't have to actually solve for this. If you are getting 2 point something, then that must be the answer. You don't have to exactly calculate whether 2.3 or 2.4 or 2.8, it doesn't matter. So in entrance examination, to save time, we are basically to use that tricks of solving the numericals, approximate numericals, not by actual values. So what I can do is, this is I can take 3, no problem. I'm just doing that approximation that this method you can use also for your exam. I will take, this is 0.1, okay, 0.1 is 1 by 10, so I'll write, this is, I'll write 2, this is 10, 10 comes from here, 3, I'll write as 3 here, okay, I'll write 3 for this, 1 is there, 1 is okay, 8.85, I'll write either 8 or 10, or I'll write 9, depending on whichever is suitable for me. So here I can write 10, or I can write 9, whatever is required. Suppose I'm taking 10, so here I'm taking 10, here I'm taking 3, okay. Now 10 is to minus 12 is there, that is okay, 10 is to minus 12, and this is 3, okay, 10 is to 8, taking the square root. Now you can see here, 3 3s are 9, 9, and this 9 I'll keep here, and this is 9 to the 18. Suppose I will keep 18 here, then all those values, 8, here is 9, here is 10, this is in plus and this is in minus, so that will cancel out, and minus 2 will be there, it goes up, it will be 100. You can see approximately is like that. So actually you don't have to multiply 3.14 and 8.85, it will take a lot of time. You can do like that. Now you can simplify this also. How to simplify that? You can see that from here I will take 10 common out, no problem. From here I can make this as I'll do one thing, I'll just say 19 is 18 is 9 into 2, so 3 also comes out, and root 2 is there. You got my point? From 110 it comes out, 89 to the 18, 3 comes out, 2 left, and 1 by root 2, that you must understand, is 0.7. Okay, 0.707, that all of you know by calculations, so it's 0.707. So this is a 10 by 3 is 3 point something, 3 something, 3 1 10 3.3, and 1 by root 2 is 0.7. So if I multiply this, then I'll get a 3.3 and a 0.7, 23. Okay, 23 is around 2.3 something. I'm getting 2.3 something. If you are getting 2 point something, that means the answer is in 2 point something, not in 1 point something, 5 point something. This should be the correct answer. You solve it properly, you will get 2.45 volt per meter. Again, I will also tell you, if you don't want this also, then also you can go for approximations. Like I can make it 20. 18, I don't want 18, I can make it 20. If I make it 20, then it will be 100 divided by 20. So this is 5 root. This is very simple. Suppose this is 5. I am making this as, so this is 5 root 5 is 2.24. So 2 point something. So 2 point something is coming out. That is the answer. Okay. The actual answer is 2.45 volt per meter, but you don't have to calculate the actual answer. You can go for approximation and still get the answer. You got my point? Thank you.